I'm going to make a fiesta salad. And we'll be outside, and then we'll come back, we'll make the dressing, and then we'll assemble the salad. Just get it pretty here. Cobb Fiesta. Hey kids, Papa here. It's fiesta time. I'm going to make a fiesta salad. I could also call it a Mexican Cobb salad, but I kind of like fiesta. So let's talk about the players here. It's a two-stage cook. We're going to start with some green onions that we're going to grill. We got some sweet white corn that we're going to grill. We have some nice organic romaine. We're going to grill that. We're going to make a salad dressing that's kind of fun. It's going to be ranch dressing, hallelujah lime, some cilantro, some jalapenos, very thinly sliced. So we're going to blend that up and make kind of a jalapeno ranch with a little cilantro. We have some cotija cheese, finely crumbled, red and yellow peppers, some avocado, some thinly sliced cucumbers, some pepitas, little nuts, give you some more crunch, some black beans, some tomatoes, lemon, lime, and the secret here, shrimp. These are going to go outside too. You're going to see this when I go outside. I'm going to spray a little oil. Some people drizzle olive oil. I'm going to spray some oil. This time it's coconut oil. All of the things I'm grilling, then I'm going to very lightly hit with hallelujah lime. We have our ingredients, and we'll be outside, and then we'll come back, we'll make the dressing, and then we'll assemble the salad. Okay, let's start with the shrimp. Little hallelujah lime. The weight on there to get them all evenly cooked. So we're not going to flip them until we see the color. You know how you kind of translucent, you can kind of see them. When they start getting a little bit white and looking cooked, I'll flip them. Now let's get this corn a little head start too here. Just a quick little spray. Spray and a little sprinkle of hallelujah lime. And we only have to do the green onions and the lettuce, and we'll be back and we'll be inside and we'll assemble. Let's close it. Get a little roasting. Okay. Little hallelujah lime. See how the corn's looking? Hotter there. We're almost done. Shrimp is done. You know the routine. A little oil, just a little hallelujah lime, just to give it some character. Close her up and I'll be right back. Okay, the corn's done. So are the green onions. Now the showstopper, the star of the show. Hallelujah lime. So let's flip these over to the side I want to grill. Now a lot of times when they have you grill a romaine, they have you use a steak rub. Now you know I've got a great steak rub, but I don't want to use a steak rub. And they're not going to take long. We just want to get a little hint of fire there. Woohoo! Just beautiful. Okay, before we assemble the Fiesta Cobb, we got to do some work. Got to get the corn off the husk. We're going to reserve these onions over here. Let's get the lettuce down here, the shrimp over here. Cut this nasty nub off. It's going to be awesome. After we get this, we're going to go put it in the refrigerator for a while and get this lettuce really beautifully chilled. Then I saved one I didn't grill just so we have a little crisp. There we go. We're actually going to assemble it and refrigerate it. So here we go. Let me get the corn out. Summertime Fiesta. Okay, so the corn's going to be the first one I put on. A little segment right here. Come across here with the tomatoes. Black beans. Cucumbers. Pepitas, because we can. Just to give it something crunchy and fun. Some bell peppers. Cotija cheese. Finely crumbled. The miracle of prep. Avocado chunks. I like a lot of avocado, as you can tell. So does little Louie. She loves it. Give everything its space. Now, we have 2 ingredients left. Okay, it's going in the refrigerator, and then we'll put our last ingredient on it, some tortilla chips. Meanwhile, I might snack a few. Okay, it's chilling down. I like Trader Joe's buttermilk ranch. A little cilantro in there. A little bit of hallelujah in there. Jalapeno. A little hallelujah lime. And let's taste it. A little more cilantro. Maybe a couple more of these jalapenos. Maybe just a little squeeze of lime. Tad more cilantro. A third of a cup. Boom. This should do it. Delicioso. Salad is nice and chilled. Just gonna kind of give it a little lime because we like lime. We are looking great. We're gonna circle the world with tortillas. It's ready to toss. We're gonna pull the shrimp off because we want to place the shrimp on top of the serving. Cucumbers mixed in. Just get it pretty here. Papa and Louie's Cobb Fiesta. Thanks for watching. And remember, www.BigPapaSmokers, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you name it, where the cool kids are, we're lurking.